Good morning, 8:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Sunday, January 29th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. As we've been getting a little bit of snow here today, um, we're approaching in the last few days about 10 inches of snow cumulatively. So we overachieved this morning as it didn't look like we were going to get a terrible amount. It stayed cooler. Woke up to a good 2.5 inches, but it's coming down pretty hard. So if you are on the East Coast and you're getting snow, be safe out there. On this morning's update, we're going to go over and just take a look quickly at the total crypto market cap, a little bit of Bitcoin on the price action, and then also XRP still staying range bound. I want to start out first by giving you 5 compelling reasons why you should own XRP. If not today, it should be in your future plans for this digital flip of the system. And I'm going to lay it out pretty easily for you to understand, and then we're going to get back into the technical analysis. If you get anything out of this value, I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, or even hit the like button to help move me through the analytics. And then if you could share this on social media, but you don't have to do that. So 5 reasons why I think you should own XRP, either now or in the future, and these are my compelling reasons. There's 100 different reasons I can give you, but these are the ones that reading through I thought were the best, and understanding what I understand. Speed and efficiency. So number 1, speed and efficiency. The Ripple network allows for fast, efficient cross-border payments and exchanges between different fiat currencies. Transactions on the network can be settled in just a few seconds, making it a useful tool for business and individuals who need to move money quickly. So basically moving money from point A to point B, no matter the borders. That's the biggest thing, and it's cheap. 2, low cost. Because the Ripple network is built on a decentralized blockchain-based infrastructure, transactions on the network are typically less expensive than those processed through traditional banking systems. 3, high liquidity. XRP is one of the most widely traded and liquid cryptocurrencies on the market, making it easy to buy and sell. 4, and this is a big part, the strong partnerships. Ripple has established partnerships with a number of major financial institutions, including American Express, Santander, and Standard Chartered. These partnerships give XRP and the Ripple network mainstream credibility and could potentially drive widespread adoption in the future, which is very key. And then 5, the potential for growth, which I believe is the greatest out of all cryptos, is in XRP. You could point it in different directions, but I put a lot of faith in XRP for a reason. So the potential for growth. As the world becomes increasingly digitized and interconnected, the demand for fast, efficient, and low-cost cross-border payments is likely to increase. As the native cryptocurrency of Ripple network, XRP could potentially benefit from this trend and see significant growth in value over time. And that's what we're banking on as holders of XRP, as fans of XRP, and what we've read in the finer bylaws and the deeper understanding of what XRP Ripple, XRPL, RippleNet, and the such brings to the table. So if we look at, first we'll start with the total crypto market cap, and we're just going to go bang, bang, boom. So the total crypto market cap is sitting at 1.02 trillion. Continues to stay over a really critical level. I don't know why this extended back, but you're trying to stay over this. That's your uptrending support line. And right now we've popped over this 995 billion. Let me bring this to the 30-minute. And that's the uptrend that we started. We're going to have to maintain that, stay on the top side. We're flirting with it very hard. We came down and we bounced back on top. Now, are these fake outs or are these hold moments? The 1.02 trillion will tell us all we need to know. And we can actually refine this pattern into the immediate short term. I know a lot of people, when you're looking at this kind of stuff, you prefer just to have this easy, and I don't blame you, this formation that's setting up. So basically you can see that uptrending support's coming through, and it's kind of floating into an ascending triangle pattern. But that's what we're looking at here. Yeah, I mean, we can come across too, but I mean, it's gonna, with the total crypto market cap, we're just gonna confuse ourselves. We really just need to keep this breakout point. Like there's your X right there. I mean, then if we want to widen this out and show, instead of that small uptrend, the better way to show this, if you want to take this out in an expansive look, at least so we can see what the ambitions are. This is likely the pattern set up right now. Not likely, this is what it's set up in. So breaking to the top side of this for the first time we'll see if this can maintain this breakout, and then if we hold on the bottom section here. And for the total crypto market cap, you'd be looking at a hold at about 1.014 trillion. You hold that, then you can start breaking out. And the next big level I have is 1.139. It's not that there's anything in between, and it's just going to go on a beta, but that's the next major resistance I have, which leaves a little bit of room for XRP if we do break that route. We've got Bitcoin, and we'll just check the trend line from 2021 is we're above the downtrending support line. This is the 2021 trend line. So we are above this right now, but we're flirting with this uptrending support we've created from back within the pattern start, and this goes all the way back into here. I mean, you can come all the way back to January 19th, January 20th. That's just our short-term pattern rejection or resistance support. That's a good pivot area. We held the X marks the spot area, which was at about 22,700. Now we're looking to stay above 23,550. So that's what we're looking for this morning. And if we stay above 23,550, we should be able to work our way back up into this area of 23,350. Above there's 26,200. And then above there's approximately 28,000. So those are the levels we're looking at in the immediate short term. If we can break up, major resistance at 25,000. We're looking at the exact moment. 25,430, we'll say. If it were to hit today, that would be a major pattern resistance, and we'll see how that plays out. XRP continues to stay below this key pivot level. It's the left shoulder was over here, slightly downtrending when I drew it, and it's hitting it beautifully. The X marks the spot area is right here at 4155, but we've been beaten down by this 414, and we, for whatever reason, can't get above it. But we're on the outside of this symmetrical triangle, you could call it, slightly uptrending support, downtrending resistance, so you could just call it a pattern formation of the ascending triangle lower, but we're finally on the top side of it. And if we can hold 410, we'll say 411. If we hold the 411 and get above the 414, then we have a chance to push out to this uptrending support at the 42 cent level. We break the 42 cents. There's not much besides the 432 stopping us for this 446 level, which to me is that broken bull flag. So that's what we're watching out for this morning. Quick, easy, simple, no reason to keep talking about the same things. And then I've decided I want to do HBAR before I end this update. If you want to learn how to join Tom's Army or the exchanges I use, look in the video description below. I'm not going to go through it every single video as I feel like it becomes a little too tedious and too much. So maybe I'll just talk about the Army and the exchanges once every few videos, once a week, once every couple days. So always look in the video description below if you want to see further content. And with HBAR, we've put like what looks like a bear flag when it came down, played it out perfectly, made a little W reversal. Now we're going to see if we can come up here and hit the 7.2 level for rejection. Right now we're between the 7.2 resistance, the 6.66 support. You break that and you got to come down to the 5.43 because there's not much within here. I will draw you, Tanya, because I know you're really into HBAR and you like to see the pattern formations. I will draw you this little uptrend. I'll show you like the pattern that it's trying to put itself into. And this is the immediate short term. This isn't even coming from the front. This is what was created on the breakdown. So this is what you're looking at, Tanya. So basically, it seems easy, but you have to have an understanding of where to do this so you can understand the current formation. You see the X marks the spot was a key hold down here at 666. We're in this uptrending support, slightly uptrending resistance. So the uptrend we're trying to break is 677 and then down through the 666. The uptrending resistance that we're trying to break is 7119 on our way up to 728. And then if you break that, you can continue on. But right now it's looking a little bearish. So we're going to see if we can get a little bit of volume. But for whatever reason, HBAR, after this beautiful pump, mainly because of the broader market scope, is not getting the volume it needs to help push this into the next level. So pay attention to these charts. Pay attention to the current formations, and then also for when the time comes, you can bring this overextension across, so then you can bring down lower levels. But right now, HBAR is in a very, very important moment in the pattern, just like XRP, Bitcoin, the total crypto market cap, and all of crypto. Make sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you on the other side. Hashtag be better, do better.